Hello, these are Nasdaq critical price levels to watch. Looking through the Nasdaq Composite Index, which is a bit different than the Nasdaq index itself, and the X or the Nasdaq futures. We've got here on the 4 hourly this bear flag broken, entered again, and then broke out with this bearish candle of over 3.5% on the 22nd of December. And it's still not open, but it seems through also the NASDAQ futures that it's got a good chance to go up to this magnet of September low at 10,565 and possibly even a bit higher to retest that previously broken bear flag. And these are the critical prices to watch. The September low, as mentioned, the November low at 10,262, and most importantly, the annual October low at 10,088. You want to see that daily candles, how they close above or below these prices, and especially if you're getting two consecutive candles as such. Looking at the Nasdaq futures, and this is a follow-up to the video published earlier today. I'm putting here levels of value area high, POC, point of control, and value area low of this range of the market profile. And these are key levels to watch, in my humble opinion. Again, this is on the 4 hourly uh, uh, um, time frame. So the value area low is at 10,965. There's a previous POC at this range, which I'm looking at also 11,324. And this is a level that I think we can get to today or tomorrow if we break up from this yellowish bull flag that I'll be soon showing. And later, we've got an important POC at 11,570 and a value area high at 11,768. I would recommend to look at those numbers. Going into that potential bull flag. We're right there retesting it. And this is not a bad time actually to to bet on a long because the reward versus risk ratio is not bad. You can wait for another retest around this area and then enter because then once the market opens and later this week, perhaps there's a good chance that we'll get to the previous BOC at 11,324, where you can take half off and perhaps ride the rest all the way to 11,550 ish. Your reward versus risk in this case would be quite attractive because your stop can be below this little gap over here. Okay. So, for example, risking only 0.5%, and you can take half off at that previous POC. That's a 3.87 reward versus risk. Very attractive. And then let the rest ride in your swing long at your discretion for 8.25 reward versus risk all the way to the 11,550 ish. You will need possibly to wait a few days to capture that move. Trade Nasdaq at your own risk. Remember to look at those key levels. If a daily candle closes below the November low, the bullish premise changes. We might be ranging also between the September low and the November low. Do watch these and the Nasdaq Composite and have a good week.